Mwakoi, mwakoi, mwakoi. You remember that word? Mwakoi means welcome, welcome. Mwakoi means welcome. Today I'm coming to you in order to present another kinji, which is a proverb. Kinji means proverb. Let's speak Kiluba. Let's speak. Kiluba means that speaking Kiluba also using proverbs. And those proverbs are very important in order just few words can mean a lot. And you can talk about those proverbs even you're in public. You just say a word and your brother or whoever is listening to you understand the implication of what you're trying to say. And today we're talking about this proverb, which is Mwana, shie, bwivi. Mwana, shie, bwivi. I'll take one away. Mwana, shie, bwivi, nansha, katengele. Let's see this way so that you can have the true word. Mwana, shie, bwivi, nansha, katengele. This means that an orphan is an orphan. They will call an orphan is a thief, or they will tell the orphan that is the one who's stealing. They will blame the orphan that is stealing. They will say that the orphan steals. Why? Because he have no. Even if he doesn't touch it, they will call it. Even though he doesn't touch it, they will say he's the one who's stealing. So an orphan is most of the time really blamed for stealing, for doing bad things. You know why? Because he's all alone. Because he's alone. No one is his parents or his father or whoever could defend him. Is not there anymore. So there is a tendency to blame the orphan. So this proverb is mostly given, and even lawyers and all other people can use it in a way that an orphan is blamed most of the time not for a right reason, because he has no one to defend him. Okay, so no one to defend him. That's what I can tell you. So let's try to use in which circumstance we can use it. It's, for instance, when an orphan is blamed, is taken to court, or an orphan is in a situation where somebody comes to tell you, oh, he did this, he did that, he did that. You can just tell the person, Mwana, shie, bwivi, nansha, katengele. So in another way, Mwana, shie, they pick on Mwana, shie, they pick on him because he doesn't have anyone to defend him. I love what the Bible even say, that Jesus before he left us, he told his disciple, I'm not going to leave you orphan. Because Jesus knew when he leaves us orphan, people will pick on us. That's a very good news for those people who are orphan, who have no father, no mother, no one to defend them, to know that there is a defender who's Jesus. But in this case of Kiluba, let's understand that Mwana, shie, bwivi, nansha, katengele. So there is a tendency to blame Mwana, shie. So this proverb is good to say. You tell people even without showing them that that person is Mwana, shie. That's because there's no defender. So they have a tendency to blame the one who has no one, so the one who's alone, the one who has. And this proverb, I feel like it's not only for those who are who lost their parents, for those who are alone in a place. Maybe you are abroad, maybe you are in a place where you are alone and no one else is next to you. So you just tell people that, oh well, Mwana, shie, bwivi. In other way, because you are all alone, because you have no one in that company, you have no one to defend you, of course people blame you for things you didn't do, because they are all together in a group, and they kind of push things to you and telling people, so who did this? Oh, that's just that guy did, because they know no one will defend you. And someone, that's why I say Mwana, shie, bwivi, nansha, katengele. Okay, bye, mafaiko, and see you soon.